we have a new AI lip sync tool in which you can go ahead and create amazing AI lip sync videos and even your own characters just like these.
Will save you, but I've learned the hard way.
Another night, another feast. I drained a traveler.
So yeah, I'm talking about Infinity AI, which is a brand new AI lip sync tool in which you can go ahead and create very amazing, expressive, and accurate AI lip sync videos and characters, and all you can do that for absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and explore this amazing AI lip sync tool, you guys. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Infinity.ai, and right off the bat you guys can see Infinity.ai offers you a very cool looking, a very catchy interface in which right off the bat they are saying characters are at the center of stories, right? So in this particular AI tool, you can go ahead and create your own characters with the help of amazing AI lip sync that this particular AI tool offers, right? So yeah, you can basically go ahead and create amazing expressive characters just like these.
It was a dark and stormy night.
It was a dark and stormy night.
And most of you guys know, like, Hedra AI is also very famous for this particular purpose. But the real problem in that tool was, we didn't used to see that much expression, right? Like whether the expression was not on point, whether it was really odd. But this particular AI tool, according to my testing, provides you accurate, like very amazing, realistic expression. Like let's just say whether it's some kind of a drama or thriller, it will provide you expression according to that particular voice, right? So yeah, that is literally amazing, right? So first of all, from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on start creating now, and this will direct me to the very amazing homepage of Infinity.ai after obviously logging in into that. All right, so this is what the interface offers you. First of all, we have to provide our image, and in the image section, either you can go ahead and upload your own image, or you can go ahead and customize your character with the help of AI image generator inside of Infinity.ai, right? And then we have the audio section in which you can go ahead and upload your own audio, or you can create text to speech as well within Infinity AI. So that is really amazing, and it also provides you like a very handsome amount of pre-recorded models right over here, right? And then after that we have the video section in which you can go ahead and create pixels according to your needs. So we have 250k pixels. Then you can go ahead and click this crop face. So this will basically zoom in into the face of the model and provide accurate lip sync, right? And then we have few of the options like expressive, medium, and stable. So expressive, obviously, the name suggests it will provide you very expressive output. The medium is going to provide a medium output, and stable would be like very much stable. You won't see any deformation in this stable version, right? And then you can go ahead and select your number of videos, obviously, right? So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and start with the very basic one. I'm going to take this image as it is, and then I'm going to take the same audio that the Infinity.ai provides
You are
me.
the coolest, most beautiful person I have ever met.
All right, and then let's just go ahead and create this one first of all. But before that, you guys, this particular AI tool is not completely free, because you guys can see it provides you free credits, which is 402 credits. And according to my testing, you guys, with these amount of credits, you can create like up to hundreds of videos, right? So yeah, this is very close to like a free AI tool. Yeah, so that is really, really amazing. All right, so here is the output that it provided me for this particular input, you guys. So take a look at this.
You are the coolest, most beautiful person I have ever met.
So yeah, the output was really up to the mark. We don't see any deformation, and the expression for the particular audio, like, it was a simple sentence. So, the girl is really chill. She's just delivering her dialogue, and, the output came out to be really, really accurate, you guys, right? But the only problem we have is about the quality. So obviously you can go ahead and upscale that later in any AI video upscaler, you guys, right? All right, so for our next example, we're going to go ahead and upload our own image. So for that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and take image of this model that I created with Midjourney earlier. So I'm going to upload that over here. All right, here we go. So it's done. And for the audio, what we can do is we can select from these models, or the best option that I recommend to you guys is use 11 Labs, because obviously you guys know 11 Labs provides you one of the best text to speech for any purpose you want, right? So for that, I'm going to go to the voices section in 11 Labs and create the best one from here, which is obviously this Adam Legacy for our male model, you guys, right?
Our distrust is very expensive.
Yeah, so that is a classic one. So I'm going to select this one, click on use, and simply provide over here my dialogue. So obviously I created some dialogues with the help of ChatGPT, like generate me cool, expressive Hollywood dialogue lines. And here are all of these. So I'm going to select this first one, first of all, which is you don't get it, do you? Every choice I've made. So this looks like a pretty cool dialogue. So I'm going to simply paste this in my 11 Labs and generator speech.
You don't get it, do you? Every choice I've made, every lie I've told, it wasn't for me.
All right, so that is really good. So from here, I'm going to simply download this, come back to my Infinity AI and upload this right over here, you guys, okay? All right, so once it's uploaded, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and create the output with the expressive, and I'm going to do the same with medium and stable. And let's just compare all of these results and see which one comes out the best, you guys, right? And for the pixel, obviously, I'm going to select the higher one, 250K pixel. Let's generate all of these results. All right, so here we go, guys. Here is our first expressive result. All right, so here's what it came out with.
You don't get it, do you? Every choice I've made, every lie I've told, it wasn't for me. It was for the people I care about. And if that makes me the villain in your story, then so be it.
All right, so the expressions were on point. It was a very serious dialogue, but you guys saw we had a little bit of a morphing effect, like a deformation in the face of the model. But I think we can go ahead and fix that when we create the medium one, right? So I'm going to create the medium one, and this is my medium one.
You don't get it, do you? Every choice I've made, every lie I've told, it wasn't for me. It was for the people I care about. And if that makes me the villain in your story, then so be it.
So yeah, that one looked pretty cool, but in that we were lacking a bit of facial expressions, right? So yeah, lastly, we're going to choose the stable one, and here is the stable output.
You don't get it, do you? Every choice I've made, every lie I've told, it wasn't for me. It was for the people I care about. And if that makes me the villain in your story, then so be it.
All right, so that one came out to be absolutely perfect, right? Like no deformation, no morphing effect. And on top of that, the expressions were totally on point, you guys, right? Like, I'm literally amazed by how accurately it realized like that was some serious dialogue and it provided like some serious expressions. And the pauses in between were too accurate, you guys, right? And let's just say similarly, I create this kind of outcome in Hedra AI. So how good that's going to be. So I'm going to do the same in Hedra AI. And this is what it came out with. So yeah, let's just go ahead and compare both of the results.
You don't get it, do you? Every choice I've made, every lie I've told, it wasn't for me. It was for the people I care about. And if that makes me the villain in your story, then so be it.
All right, so Hedra AI generation looks pretty cool as well. But if I talk about which one provides the accurate expressions and the accurate face movements, so for that, I have to give this one to Infinity AI, right? So yeah, as you guys know, Infinity AI is really good in judging the facial expressions, like, the head movements of the model and syncing that with the dialogue. So yeah, that point really, really good to Infinity AI, you guys, right? All right, so for the next example, I'm going to take this particular image, and for the text to speech, I'm going to take my second dialogue, simply create that in 11 Labs, and let's select our female model this time. Okay, I'm going to select Charlotte, and let's just create this. Okay, and after that, I'm going to simply upload that to Infinity AI and simply do the same in Hedra AI as well, and let's just compare the results.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of the world moving on without you. And me. I'm just a reminder that nothing stays forgotten forever.
All right, so that was a pretty close one, I must say. The Hedra AI provided very good results. So does Infinity AI. But initially, if you guys are seeing, you guys might be wondering, like, Hedra AI looks better, right? Like, it has better head movements. But if you talk about accuracy, like, judging by the dialogue, I must give that to Infinity AI because it provided some accurate expressions, some accurate head movements for a particular dialogue. So yeah, according to me, you guys, Infinity AI did a pretty great job in that, you guys, right? Okay, so for the last one, I'm going to go ahead and take this particular image and simply for the text to speech, I'm going to choose this one, this dialogue of drama, create that in 11 Labs once again. And let's just create that in Infinity AI and Hedra AI, you guys, right?
You keep asking why I left, but the real question is why I stayed as long as I did. Every moment I stayed, I lost another piece of myself trying to fit into a life that was never mine to live.
Okay, so Infinity AI provided good expressions, good face movements, good dialogue delivery, but the Hedra AI totally messed up that one. Like we have sway deformation, sway morphing effect in the output, and that doesn't look good at all in Hedra AI. But if you talk about Infinity AI, so yeah, really good results. But the only problem again is, you guys, in both of the AI tools, we get very low quality outputs, right? So yeah, that obviously you can go ahead and enhance that in any AI video enhancer, right? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of the free AI lip sync tool that we're getting, which is Infinity AI. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.